once again to Senior Focus. I'm your host, Bill Adams. Senior Focus is a show that comes a couple times each month. It comes to you and talks about issues for those older adults, and I include myself now, over 50. We bring you topics of interest, but it also can affect other members of the family. So if you're under 50, certainly you might learn some things today. We want to thank, first off, again, Greg Roden from Channel 20 of Armstrong Cable, and also Keith Kaiser with Mill Creek Metro Parks, and he's given us the use of the Davis Visitor Center to film the show today. And today's guest is a really special guest. We have Judge Thomas Swift. He's with the Trumbull County Probate Court, and just by a little way of introduction, we'll be talking a little bit about how long you've been here as a judge. But Judge Swift is really one of the leaders in the field of probate law, not only in Ohio, but nationally. And again, we'll talk about some of the work he does on those levels. But first of all, thanks for coming.
Well, thank you, Bill. This is one of the better programs on TV that deal with issues involving seniors. And as you indicated, not only the seniors themselves, but other family members. So it's more family oriented, and I might also mention that I've known you for quite a few years, and we worked together some time ago, and you've become a success, and I'm still in the same job I was way back then.
Well, that brings up a point. When did you start as probate judge?
November of 1979,
okay.
Coming up on 33 years next month. Mm-hmm. My predecessor died in office, Judge Reed Batten, and I was appointed by Governor Rhodes, and I have been as Trumbull County Probate Judge now for the 33 years.
And during that time, you've brought a lot of really innovative programs to the probate court, and I'd like to talk about some of those today. But if you want to give a sort of a thumbnail sketch of what the probate court does, and then we can go into detail about some of the specific programs, if that's okay.
Probate court is a specific jurisdiction court. It's part of the common pleas court system. However, we have unique and special areas of the law that we handle. For example, estates. Anyone that has a residence or passes away in Trumbull County, their estate would be filed in the Trumbull County Probate Court. Likewise, guardianships, which you're quite familiar with, are handled for Trumbull County residents through the probate court. We issue all the marriage licenses for Trumbull County residents or those that are going to be married in Trumbull County. And another area of that we enjoy, when I say we, my staff and I, because we handle adoptions. And when the kids come to court, that's always the fun days. In fact, on November 15th, we're going to have our adoption day in Trumbull County. And it's the only time during the year where an adoption ceremony or hearing is open to the public. And we have 6 or 7 adoptions that occur on that date, and the ceremonies are in the courtroom number 1, which is the largest courtroom in the state of Ohio, and we fill it with friends and family members of those that are going to be adopted. So that's probably our one of the areas that I enjoy most, and my staff just loves when they come in. And we handle mental illness commitments and land sales, and we have a saying among the probate judges: when the legislature doesn't know where to put it, they give it to probate. So we have just a real variety of areas of the law that we handle, as well as I can hear cases for other common pleas court cases, but the probate cases keep me busy enough.
Oh, I'm sure they do, yeah. And one of the things I know you've always been, I guess that makes the Trumbull County Probate Court sort of special and different is that you do a lot of public education. You talked about the open adoption day or when people come to see the court in action. And I think you mentioned guardianships earlier on. I know going to your website, you've got actual videos about guardianship and the process. And again, I know you've been a leader in the guardianship field for many years. Are there some things maybe that are newer that you want to talk about, or just some of the things that people ought to know about guardianship?
Yes, our website is www.trumbleprobate.org, and if you go on the website and you click court wise, you'll get those training videos that you mentioned. But I give my staff full credit for this. We have one of the top 10 websites in the United States on probate. We have all of our forms online. They can be downloaded online. They can be filled out online. We have documents that can be filed, e-filings. So not only the educational portion of it, and we have all of our brochures and as you indicated, the training videos. Mm-hmm. But we have other services that assist attorneys as well as the public. As you know, in probate court, we always recommend that folks coming in have an attorney of their choice. But in this economy, we find that a lot of folks can no longer afford to have an attorney representing them. They consult with an attorney, but the forms are online, the information's online. We cannot give legal advice, but the forms can be filed by the citizens themselves.